everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand a very crucial and important aspect, that is images. You must be, wondering why we are talking about images. Of course, who doesn't know how to use images, but there is a catch. Before uploading any image onto your WordPress website, you need to optimize them in order to reduce their weight and size, because if you upload a high weight or high size picture on your WordPress website, then it will increase the overall load or overall weight of the page. And if your page weight is high, then even on the high internet speed connection, your website will become slow and your users will see a slow website, which is because of the heavy images. So if you see right now, I have images, multiple images, like here is one, multiple icons, multiple background images, right? Multiple images here as well. But if you see, if I show you the weight of these images, so I will open in a new tab. And first of all, let me show you the size. So size is like 744 into 351 pixel, which is as per the need. It is not a full resolution picture, high resolution picture. It is as per need. And if I save the picture now, and if I show you the weight here, so you can see the weight is 108 KB. It is optimized view, right? It is optimized picture. The weight of the picture matters a lot. And before uploading any picture on your WordPress website, you need to optimize it and compress it. And there is a tool, there is a free of cost tool for that, which will help you. That is called tiny png. This is a website which will compress your picture, convert into WebP format, and it will give you a optimized weight images so that your website doesn't make doesn't get heavy. So here what you need to do is just you need to drag and drop your images. So I have one images with me. So here we have an image which is, in terms of weight, I would say it is not very heavy image, but still it is 119 KB. And if I want to reduce the weight, then I will just drag and drop it here like this. And you will see that from 116 KB, it has reduced down to 91 KB. Now you may not find that, okay, difference is not too much, but if there are multiple images on your website, let's say 10 images, 20 images, and if there is a chance of reduced weight, let's say by 20%, then it makes a difference. So please make sure whenever you upload any PNG, any JPG file on your WordPress website as an image, then make sure that you first compress that in order to reduce down the weight, so that overall page weight is not heavy. And now you can download the image from here and you can just use this image on your WordPress website. So guys, that's how you can compress your images and reduce their sizes and weight, so that your overall page and overall website does not become heavy. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.